Want to have a natural conversation with ChatGPT instead of typing every message? Voice Mode lets you speak with ChatGPT in real time, making it faster and more convenient for brainstorming, learning, translating, and everyday tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode from start to finish. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device, or use ChatGPT on a supported desktop browser if Voice Mode is available for your account. Then sign in and open a new conversation. Next, look for the voice or microphone icon near the chat area. Tap or click it to start a voice conversation. If this is your first time using Voice Mode, ChatGPT may ask for permission to access your microphone. Simply allow access to continue. Now start speaking just like you would in a normal conversation. You can ask questions, request explanations, brainstorm ideas, practice another language, or ask ChatGPT to help solve problems. There's no need to memorize special commands, just speak naturally. One of the biggest advantages of Voice Mode is that you can keep the conversation going naturally. Ask follow-up questions, change topics, or request more detail without starting over. ChatGPT remembers the context of your ongoing conversation. Voice Mode is useful for many different activities. You can practice interviews, learn new subjects, translate languages, brainstorm content ideas, plan trips, prepare presentations, or simply ask everyday questions while keeping your hands free. If you need to share a file, copy code, or review a long response more carefully, you can switch back to text chat at any time. Voice and text conversations work together, making it easy to use whichever method fits your task. When you're finished, simply tap the End Conversation or close button to exit Voice Mode. Your conversation will remain in your chat history, so you can come back later and continue where you left off. And that's how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode. Whether you're learning something new, brainstorming ideas, or simply prefer talking instead of typing, Voice Mode makes interacting with ChatGPT faster and more natural. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.